What is the relation of trigonometry in your profession?
Trigonometry is very important in my profession because in my field of discipline, which is agricultural and biosystems engineering, we conduct survey, we conduct estimates and measurements, especially when we are designing agricultural buildings like poultry and swine housing. So the knowledge or the concepts of trigonometry are required in doing those kind of activities.
Is trigonometry really significant in your profession? Why?
Oh yes, it's very important, especially like what I said a while back. Trigonometry, it's very important because we as engineers, we always perform measurements, or we always perform measuring of it could be land, it could be an elevation, it could be the height of the particular building, and also like what I said, when we are designing agricultural buildings, we are using that.
Do you really think that trigonometry must be mastered for a profession to be done well?
In our profession, which is agricultural and biosystems engineering, it is a must to master the trigonometry because, for example, if you want to measure the particular angle of elevation and the angle of depression of a particular structure, it's very important, and add the other knowledge of trigonometry, for example, the course and the bearing, like that. Those things are important for navigation, to determine in what place or in what location are you going to put up the agricultural building.
What are the effects of trigonometry in applying to your job to the environment around you?
The effects of trigonometry, trigonometry makes the work easier, or it makes the job more accurate, because you're not just basing your outputs or your conclusions with just educated guess or guesswork. It always involves computations. That's why trigonometry is very significant.
What are your thoughts about trigonometry since it is applied to your profession?
My thoughts, I think if we have no any basic knowledge regarding trigonometry, and then in the field of engineering, since it is very important, it will be very hard for an engineer like me to understand the concepts, especially when we are doing those things in actual, because you must know what to do, or how to perform the calculations with angles, and using the sides of the triangle and the angles of the triangle.
Were your point of views about trigonometry changed when you studied and completed your course?
Oh yes, absolutely. Because when I was studying the subject during our college days, in my first year in college, it became hard. It was hard for me to study trigonometry, but as I have observed its application in real life, I eventually appreciated its importance, and now even for me, I am sharing it to others so they can apply it to their daily lives.
Is trigonometry difficult as a subject applied to your profession?
Since my profession is agricultural and biosystems engineer, it will depend on you if it's difficult. But as long as engineering is concerned, the entire engineering concept will be hard if you don't know the fundamentals and the basics of trigonometry. So trigonometry is for me, if it's your passion to become an engineer, trigonometry will not be hard, because you already know how to use the calculator, how to perform basic calculations related to trigonometry.
What can you say to the students nowadays that are having trigonometry as a topic of study? And what about the students that want to pursue a career that uses trigonometry in the certificate?
Okay, for the students who are currently studying trigonometry, they've got no other choice except to pursue it. Because maybe you will think that trigonometry is not that easy for the first time that you encountered it, but if you just learn the basics, the fundamentals before entering the world of trigonometry, it will be much easier for you. Now, for the other professionals who are currently applying trigonometry, I suggest, and also for myself, that we should dig more and we should study more about trigonometry, because its application is very wide. It's a very broad topic, especially when you're talking about building or constructing high-rise buildings like that. The application of trigonometry is very essential. That's it.
Po.
Thank